Good afternoon, come on in. Welcome to 2020 North Indian River Drive here in Cocoa. I'm Dave Rieger with Regatta Building and Development, and I want to take you on a little tour today of our latest renovation here in Cocoa. This particular home was originally built in 1967, and when we first arrived, to say the least, it was in a little bit of disarray. But we found a home that had unbelievable construction and a beautiful lot that's hard to find in today's market. We completely stripped the home. Everything in the home is brand new, from electrical to plumbing to HVAC, everything. The only thing that was left was the block when we first started. But come on in, let me show you around. So over here, we have our gourmet kitchen. It's a beautiful eat-in kitchen with wonderful views of the Indian River. Have a work area, a wine cellar. We have nice commercial size refrigeration, along with an induction cooktop, microwave, double ovens. And because we believe this will be a wonderful entertaining home, we've equipped it with 2 dishwashers for those big dinner parties that I know will happen. Down this hallway, we have 2 guest bedrooms and a guest bathroom, along with a laundry room. And in here, we have what we call the great room. This is a large room that comes down the center corridor of this home. Again, that gives us expansive views of the Indian River. It's about 25 feet in height. Big, beautiful ceiling fans that we outfitted this room with. It'll be a wonderful living space accompanied by a dining area. Over here we have the master bedroom. Again, I can't say enough about the views in this home. Every one of the bedrooms in this home have a water view, including a downstairs living area, which we'll visit here in just a little bit. Down this hallway, we have 2 huge closets, and then a beautiful master bathroom, a nice walk-in shower, jacuzzi tub, beautiful cabinetry throughout this home. All the cabinets that we use are solid wood construction, soft touch drawers and doors. Well, come on, let's take a look downstairs. Well, welcome to the downstairs of this lovely home here on the Indian River. This space was not original living space when we started our renovation. So in our planning, we incorporated about another 15 or 1,600 square feet of living space down here. Over here, we built the theater room, which will be great for those movie nights here on the river. We incorporated a small kitchenette, microwave, refrigeration, and cabinetry. So I think the room is set up beautifully for the theater room. As you can see, no windows or anything to interfere. So once set up as a theater room, I think it'll be a great addition to this wonderful home. Down here is our downstairs great room area. We have an area that we kind of envision billiards or a gaming room, along with a downstairs guest bedroom, which has direct access to the pool. Come along outside, let me show you the backyard. So this definitely is one of my favorite parts of this home. We've incorporated this private patio area with a fire pit and these wonderful Adirondack chairs to take this beautiful view of the Indian River in. We've sat here and watched rocket launches, manatees playing in the water. Every time you come home, there's something different going on in your backyard. Let's take a look at the pool. So here we are up here at the lovely pool, which overlooks the Indian River. This is a nice sized pool, extremely deep on the deep end. Just a great place to have a refreshing Saturday afternoon. And another feature that I want to show you of this house, during the design or the redesign of this home, we took great care to make sure that we were able to see as much of the river views as we possibly could. So we incorporated, instead of railing, we did glass panels. So we have a nice clear view all the way through the inside of the home out to the river. And over here, we have a nice private veranda which our guest bedroom and our billiards room opens up onto. So a great place where your guests could come out here and have a great cup of coffee, a nice sunny morning, and then enjoy the rest that this backyard has to offer. So thanks for joining us today and looking at another great quality project from Regatta Building and Development. We'll see you again soon.